All right, guys, you asked for diesels, we got you a diesel. 1997 Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel, 5.9 liter beast, Hoss, whatever you want to call it. Got 3-inch pipe all the way back. Got this damn massive particulate filter right there. Then we did a muffler delete right there, as you guys can see. Then a 3-inch tailpipe out the back into a massive 6-inch tip, because why not? It looks better, sounds better. Rolled edge, just makes it, cleans it up really nicely. So muffler delete and 6-inch tip diesel. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there's the muffler that we cut off right there. There it is. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Better? Much better. Look at that black smoke. Sound decibels, go ahead. 101. Go to back it up. Turbo diesel. Workhorse. Much better. It was too quiet before. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sound too bad.